Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today we are going to learn 14 amazing and very basic Windows shortcuts and tricks which are useful for everyone. In today's modern age, everyone interacts with system and she must use these commands and tricks to work smarter and easier. So let's start our lesson. First one is OK. If you are in dialog box mode and Windows is asking for OK, you need like this is a state and you need to press OK, then you can simply enter. Enter is by default key for OK. The next one is cancel. Escape key, the left top key is ESC, escape key. This is used for cancel command. Windows by default cancel command. If again we are going to run, now this option is for cancel. You need to press escape. Now the dialog box has been cancelled. The third shortcut is help. Most of the time you need help about that specific window or overall for Windows, you need to press F1. Now I am in WordPad and I have pressed F1. This will go into Windows help mode. This is for help in by default Windows. If I am in my computer mode and I press F1, now this is File Explorer, my computer, which is used to open the files of these windows. So in specific windows you can get help about this Explorer, or simply if I am on desktop and I press F1, this will generally shows the help about window. The next option is my computer. If you have disappeared my computer here, or you are hard to find my computer, simply press Window plus E key. Now I am pressing Windows plus E. This will File Explorer or my PC. This will open generally my PC. Again Window plus E. You can open multiple windows in this way. The next option is desktop. If you have opened multiple windows, like I have, this is a window, then now I have multiple windows, and if I need to go into desktop, I have to minimize all these windows. Instead of minimizing, if you have opened multiple windows, you need to press Windows D. Windows D. The next option is Windows switch. Guys, as you are seeing, I have opened multiple windows. These are windows, and I want to switch between these windows. I need to press Alt plus Tab key, then Tab. Now this is, I can move to any folder. In this way you can switch between windows with Alt plus Tab key. The next option is 3D Windows switch. Window plus Tab key. If you want to switch between these windows in 3D mode and with additional option about desktop, you need to press Window plus Tab key. Now this is 3D mode. This is called 3D mode, and additional desktop. I can go into any desktop. You can work simultaneously with multiple desktop like 6, 7, 8. You can open hundred of desktop to work simultaneously. So you can switch between desktop and switch between windows with window plus tab key with more detail. Thus desktop switch, the correct explanation for Windows 3D Windows switch. The next option is run dialog box. This is very amazing and useful to open Windows shortcuts and commands. We used run dialog box, window plus R key. Now this is window plus R run dialog box. Multiple commands you can insert here for interacting with any application. I can search here also in, sorry for mistyping. Now this is run. Suppose I want to open system specification DXDIAG. In next tutorial we will learn these commands, run commands. Hope so. The next option is DOS. Disk operating system, command line interface, command prompt. This is very useful. There are three ways to directly open Windows command line interface. First of all, shift plus right click, open command windows here. Now this is DOS command line interface. You can press shift and right click. This will open command line interface. Open command line. The next option is right click on start button. Right click on start button and command prompt. Like I want to check directories. These are the Windows directories, Windows folders. Now this is DOS. The next is run dialog box. You can open run dialog box, and to open command line interface you need to press CMD, command CMD. In these ways you can open DOS. The next option is close windows or shut down, Alt plus F4. Guys, every shortcut have different options, different ways in different windows. Suppose if I want to close it without mouse, without cursor, I need to press Alt plus F4 here. Now if you want to close any window like this one, my computer, you need to press Alt plus F4. This will close the specific window. Then shut down. If you are on desktop, you need to approach your desktop. You need to press Alt plus F4. This will open shutdown dialog box, shutdown, restart, sign out, sleep mode. So in this way you can use Alt plus F4 to close the window or to shut down, restart Windows. The next 11th option is lock windows or switch user. If you want to lock window, you need to go into power mode. Then now this window has not lock option. You need to press window plus L key. This will automatically lock, and you need to re-enter your password. If you are in office, you can use this option to safeguard your PC. Now this is window plus L to lock windows. So guys, next 12th option is step recorder. This is very useful app which is Windows by default app to record your steps and actions on Windows. Guys, I always recommend you Windows by default and Android by default apps and software because these don't have any scam or ads, so these are very useful. I always recommend you search step recorder. The next option is this is step recorder. Now this is small windows, small dialog box, start record. You can start. Now I am working and this is the option, red small option to record step. Now I am in. Now system is recording my steps. Close the window. Now I stop. Now this is the complete record step detail. You can review first one, step 1 with time and date. You have used right click. I have refreshed the window. Use left click on the refresh menu. Then I have right click to refresh again. Then I have used 5:34 p.m. I have opened this PC like this one. Furthermore, I can save this log file in this PC. E step recorder on send. Now this is name. You can save in zip mode only. Close it. Now we want to recheck. This is my step recorder. You can share it on. You can open it. Word. Now these are screens. I can give comments and for further sharing. So in this way you can record your steps. And guys, our next option is Chrome video player. Google Chrome is by default video player. You can open and run your videos. You can watch movies in Google Chrome. If you don't have any video player or you want to play videos with Google Chrome, simply I have Video Geek 6. So I want to play it in Google Chrome. Simply I will drag into on Google Chrome. This will play. Now the video is playing. You can forward this video. In this way you can play your videos in Google Chrome. So the next and last option is screenshot. Like mobile phone in Android and iOS, you can take screenshot of Windows and desktop for further your assistance. To take screenshot, I want to open any window like ISO. I want to take screenshot of these windows. Go into search. Type here Snipping Tool. This is Snipping Tool to take screenshot. This is also Windows by default tool. Click on Snipping Tool, then click on New. Now this is option. You can select any area. You can select the whole desktop. Now this is a screenshot of my desktop, or you can crop your desktop. Suppose I want to take screenshot of this window like this one. Again, in this way you can take screenshot, you can write, you can mark like this one, you can highlight, and you can save and send. I want to save as, I'll save it into E, screenshot for desktop, or ISO. Save it, close it. To check this screenshot, we'll go into E. Now this is screenshot. Sorry for little bit inconvenience. I can open it. Now this is screenshot. You can share and send it to anyone. So guys, these were 14 shortcuts and tutorials. In next video, we will take commands and shortcuts for run and command line interface. Thanks guys for watching and learning. Please like our videos and subscribe our channel.